Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Life of Tanishka with Tanishka, obviously. So today I thought of doing something different, and I wanted to take you guys through my typical day, through a typical day in the life of a student. It's 11 in the morning and we are in a school, a government school, for a little plantation drive, and I will tell you guys about 10 things that I learned during my journey. Very first thing that I learned is that it's really important to have good people by your side, be it your friends, be it your family, be it your cousins, brothers, sister, whoever it is. Because there will be lots of moments in the whole journey where you will feel very lost, very tired, just on the edge, and उस moment पे have good people pushing you hard to do just a bit, थोड़ा और करने पे they will encourage you. So it's just so nice to have supportive people by your side, even if it's not your family, anybody.
Before moving ahead, I would like to talk about the sponsors of this video, which is Disha Publication, and this is the book that I received from them. It is a 40 topic wise previous year solved papers. In this book we have papers from 2024 to 1994 with detailed solution of each question, more than 1200 questions for CAT with detailed solution. Alternate solutions are provided. The focus is to provide shortcuts and techniques and solutions which are a must to crack CAT. So it's a crazy book. Go check it out. You can get it for DILR and quants as well.
Also, one more thing, you might have friends who are also preparing for the same exam and they might not be doing so well. I mean, at some point you might be doing well or they might be doing well, and you both aren't on the same page. It's not necessary to be jealous. It's important to just be there. It's nice to have healthy competition among your friends, but at the same time it's not worth it. Hello again, people. I changed into different clothes because apparently there is some festival. There is something today jiske liye my mom asked me to wear yellow, so I had to. Now I'll tell you second thing that I learned: never be okay with being overconfident throughout your journey. Be humble, be real, be genuine about your marks, about your progress. Just be real and realize that it has real consequences. आप जितना अपने आप से real हो about your marks, about the phase that you are in during your prep, it helps. I'll tell you a story. What I used to do during my starting phase of giving mocks, I used to look on Google when I was solving quants. कई बार ऐसा होता है आप क्वेश्चन डालोगे गूगल पे एंड आंसर मिल जाता है आपको, है ना, तभी की तभी सेम क्वेश्चंस एंड सेम नंबर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. तो आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट. मार्क्स अच्छे आ रहे थे, बट आफ्टर अ वाइल आई रियलाइज्ड कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा गूगल यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है, एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई मेड अ डिसीजन टू जस्ट स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी एम्बेरस्ड बाय योर स्कोर्स, be it your mock scores or your sectional scores or anything. You just don't have to be embarrassed. ये journey is about how you prepare for that one day. तो उसके पहले आप जितने टेस्ट दे लो, जितने मॉक्स दे लो, nothing matters as such. Just be ready for that day. Now I'll go to my cousin's house. I'll have some fun. I go there every day, so that's like an honest typical day in my life. My cousins live very close to me. We'll do packing because my sister is moving. You can see me on my regular place, and yeah, this is my cousin's house. In the previous videos, people were very curious. I don't know why they are so invested. She looks like she has faked her NCL and everything. I think that's bullshit. Next learning is focus on the things that you can control and work on them, rather than focusing on things which are not in your control and distracting yourself for that. I don't need to give an example for this. Anyways, so now what we'll do, I'll help my sister with packing. Yeah, let's go. Before that, I'll have some food. guys, meet my sister.
तो गाइस आज तनिष्का का घर आना हो गया है सफल, बिकॉज उसको मिल गए हैं मेरे पुराने सनग्लासेस. दिस इज व्हाट शी लिव्स फॉर.
I want you to meet somebody. She's my sister. She's also an IIM pass out. Because this is a learning video, so it's better to have some advice from somebody who has gone through the whole process and been there, done that. So yeah.
Hi everyone, this is Manisha. I am her sister. I've been through this journey myself and I know how daunting it is, how terrifying and struggling it is. I've been there. I completed my MBA 5 years ago. I've been working in corporate for last 5 years in different cities and countries as well. So when I was preparing, I prepared for 3 to 4 months to be precise. That was my first attempt. And I think in such a short span when I was preparing and I had to do everything, the biggest thing that helped me was studying collaboratively with like my batchmates and friends. Take and give constructive feedback as well, help your friends and batchmates as well, and in return I think you will be helped definitely. So have those sessions, have those collaborative sessions, because these people will help you in your journey. And again, when they will be going into different colleges, you will have contacts, you will have point of contacts that you can turn to if you need help in SIPs or preparations, or let's say a job reference. Very much a futuristic thing I'm asking you to consider, but still, like, it's good to have a network from the point where you have started your journey.
So this is somewhat similar to the first learning that I mentioned, कि don't be jealous of your friends. They are there.
No,
और वो
not
आपका
at all.
immediate competition नहीं है.
See, there are lakhs and lakhs of students who are giving this exam across countries. Everyone is your competition. But like, if you're helping, like if you're jealous and if you think I should take things in, I should just keep my progress to myself, there will be things in your preparation which you can't see with your bare eyes, but a third person, a friend who studies with you, solves questions with you, you give mocks together, he or she will be able to point that out in a better way, I feel. But again, form a good network, form good friendships and bonds that should, stay with you even after your MBA, because all your batchmates, they are going to be in places, in different companies, in different positions, in different areas that you might want to enter in future, you might want to explore, or you just stay in touch and have friendships that will sustain that, that span of silence as well. And when you turn out to them after like a year or so, they should still be the same. So yeah, be a good friend and form friendships and bonds which are everlasting. That is going to help you a lot in your personal journey and in your professional journey as well.
With that, the next learning that I would like to add, never run behind multiple resources. Always be precise with the number of books or the number of resources that you are using. उन्हीं को ही अच्छे से कर लो. That is more than enough. You don't need to have 10 or 20 different books to be solved, and you don't need to be proud of solving 10 different books. It's better to have, let's say, 3 books or 4 books and be thorough with them. यहाँ पे मैं आई थी शायद 1:30 बजे आई थी, 1:30 या 2 बजे आई थी, और अब 4 बजे हैं. 2 घंटे से हम पैकिंग कर रहे हैं. This is what we have packed अभी तक. And now it's snack time. So guys, next learning is keep revising your strategy within the paper itself. बाद में सोचने का, जैसे अगर तुम पेपर दे रहे हो, मॉक चल रहा है, मॉक नहीं एक्चुअल पेपर भी है, अगर उसमें भी लेट्स से तुम्हारा कोई एक सेक्शन ख़राब हो जाता है, तो वहाँ पे अपनी होप्स बिल्कुल छोड़ नहीं देनी है. वन बैड सेक्शन डजंट डिफाइन योर मार्क्स और परसेंटाइल. मेरा भी एक सेक्शन ख़राब हुआ था, क्वांट्स का सेक्शन ख़राब हुआ था. आई गॉट वेरी बैड परसेंटाइल इन दैट सेक्शन इटसेल्फ. 84-85 परसेंटाइल है, बट आई एम स्टिल सिटिंग एट FMS. इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल कि अगर एक सेक्शन भी ख़राब चला जाता है, इट डजंट मीन कि तुम नहीं जा सकते हो. डू बेटर इन अदर सेक्शंस
और तुम्हारा स्कोर सेट हो जाएगा अगर तुम और 2 सेक्शंस में अच्छा कर दोगे। तो जस्ट रिवाइज, कीप रिवाइजिंग योर स्ट्रैटेजीज विद इन द एग्ज़ाम इटसेल्फ। बाद में सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा कि अगले साल मैं अच्छा ये करूँगा या वो करूँगा। 2 मिनट का पॉज लो और रीस्टार्ट अगेन, तो फिर अच्छा जाएगा। We are all packed, ready to go। कई घंटों में लगा के हमने पैकिंग करी है। अब हम दीदी को छोड़ने जा रहे हैं। Okay guys, so I would want to end this video। मतलब मैंने चाहा तो था कि मैं इसमें और ज़्यादा लर्निंग्स बता पाऊँ, बट ठीक है, बहुत आज के लिए बहुत ज्ञान हो गया। एक दिन में इतना ही ज्ञान दे सकती हूँ मैं। सो नाउ वी आर फाइनली, आई एम एट माई कज़न्स प्लेस क्योंकि हम लेट हो गए थे। सो आई विल गो बैक to my house tomorrow and we are watching this is my brother. We are watching what Final Destination right now and then we'll sleep. See you in the next video. I'll probably be shifting to Delhi in my next vlog क्योंकि finally after so many weeks FMS की तरफ से कुछ final conversation आई है and we are added to a group and उन्होंने बोला है that 20th से इंडक्शन स्टार्ट हो जाएगी और अगर 20th से स्टार्ट है तो वी आर प्लानिंग टू शिफ्ट ऑन 14th। सो आई प्रॉबेबली मेक अ मूविंग इन व्लॉग। सो आई सी यू देन। अंटिल देन टेक केयर, कीप स्टडिंग, कीप योर मोटिवेशन हाई।
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised.